Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you're all fine. Welcome in third semester, class 5 social studies. I am your social studies teacher. Today we will start our day 14 and 15 working.
Our 14th day working is reading of unit number 11, the role of media, page number 107. Media ka kirdar, sending messages. The subcontinent had a very old mail system. People paid runners, दौड़ लगाने वाले, to take messages and packages from one place to another. They paid by weight, वजन and distance, फासला. Scientists and inventors इजाद करने वाले worked at sending messages using electricity and magnetism. The messages spelled words using a code. There were many different codes. In Russia, Pavel Stirling made the first electric telegraph in 1832. It could send messages along wires from one room to another. By the 1860s, there were telegraph cables, tare, between towns and cities and even under the seas to link continents. Page 108. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The first postage stamps in Asia were called dash Schneiddock. Number 2. This was also the name of dash every old mail system. Number 3. Instead of runners, the British East India Company used dash because dash horses and camels they were quick. Next is electricity made it even quicker to send messages using the electric telegraph. Number 5 is this sent messages along dash using codes. Answer is wire. Railway communications. The first trains were pulled खींचना by horses and went very slowly. A horse rider went ahead of the train beside the track. He waved a flag to say that a train was coming. Later, steam trains had whistles that the driver could sound using steam from the boiler. Railway companies put up tall poles with signal bars. Train drivers could see them from far away unless it was very dark or foggy, dhundla. Signalmen moved the bars up or down with levers. Train drivers knew what message the bars were giving. The news in print. Before printing was invented, people gave out news in different ways. They called it out in towns or wrote and drew pictures on paper or other materials. Some carved tarashna, words and pictures in stone, metal or wood. When the British East India Company ruled Hakumat Karna, the subcontinent, the newspaper here were all in English. The news was about the British. The first newspaper was printed Chapna in 1766. The editor, likhne wala, criticized tanqeed karna, the British East India Company. He was sent back to Britain. Another British editor wrote about corruption in the company and about the suffering of Indian people. The company fined Jurmana Karna him and put him in prison. The newspaper closed. Later, there were other English language newspapers in the places ruled by Britain. One of these was Dawn. We have completed our today's working. Now we'll start our day 15 working. Page number 104. Write your answers. Question 1. At the beginning of the 20th century, what could people use to A. Listen to up to pictures? Answer is a telephone, radio, gramophone and camera. Question 2 is who first sent moving pictures with sounds to a television set? Answer is John Logie Baird. Question B is talk about this and write answer. How did Baird's moving picture and sound get from his televisor to the TV set? What was this? Answer is they traveled along wires. They used radio waves to send the pictures through the air so that wires were not needed to join the televisor to television sets. Page number 105. Question is how was Colossus like modern computers? How was it different? Answer is it is electronic like a modern computer but it is much bigger. Page number 106. Write the answers. Question 1 is what did people first use electricity from power stations for? Answer is people used lights. Question 2 is list as many inventions as you can that use electricity. Our answer is television, washing machines, hair dryers, fridge, vacuum cleaner, irons, bulbs, lamps, computer and AC. Question 3 is how were the first cars different from modern cars? Answer is They had wheels with spokes like bicycle wheels. They did not go as fast and had no battery. The lights were oil lamps. They had no indicators, so the driver had to give hand signals for turning left or right. Our today's last question is question 4. How was the Colossus computer different from modern computers? Our answer is colossal computer was much bigger and also much slower. We have completed our day 15 working. I hope you will also learn these questions by heart. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.